Hello everybody, and I am Kuldeep from King Empire Tech, and today I will show you that how can you change Facebook background in your PC or in your Android device. So without any wasting time, let's get started. You need to open the Chrome browser first. After opening Chrome browser, you need to search Chrome Web Store. And here is the official link of Chrome Web Store. You need to open that. And in the Chrome Web Store, we need to search for the following: Facebook background changer. And we got the multiple outputs from our input, and we need to select the second one, which is this one, background changer for Facebook. We need to add it to Chrome, so let's click on that, add extension. So looks like it has been successfully downloaded and added to our Chrome. As you can see guys, it's been added here. So let's open that and open Facebook. So guys, as you can see, the link of Facebook, that is facebook.com, it is the official link of Facebook, and there is no spam and no phishing page. So this is 100% sure that this is secure. So guys, let's log in to our Facebook page account. My mistake. So as you can see, I have successfully in my Facebook account, but we have not applied any background to Facebook. It is by default. So let's add background to it. Click on the extension which have we added, and click on that and select any background that you want to add. So let's select this one. So as you can see, the background has been successfully applied to our Facebook account or Facebook page. So this was a tutorial of how you can change the background of Facebook. So if you want to again change the Facebook background to its normal background, then you can click to default. It's very simple, but I prefer to apply other backgrounds rather than that normal one. So thank you guys, and I will continue this video to my Android device. So let's meet there. So hello everyone, and as you can see guys, now I am on my Android device, and let's see that how can we change the Facebook background for any Android device. So for that we need to install an application which is called as Color Changer for Facebook. So let's open the Play Store and search for that application, Color Changer Facebook. So as you can see guys, there are many applications here, and we have two applications of same name. This one, Color Changer for Facebook, and also we have this one, Color Changer for Facebook. We need to install this one because the all other applications are having a lots of ad, and the applications which are not having the ads are the paid versions. And if you are thinking that you can download the paid version for free using the modes of that application, then think twice guys, that you are giving your full data privacy to that mode developer. So let's install this application, Color Changer for Facebook. As it's installing guys, and click on open, accept. So as you can see guys, the Facebook has been opened successfully, and it's showing in Gujarati language, and let's change the English language to English. So this is the official page of Facebook, guys. Let me log in into this Facebook account. Login. Now, so as you can see, guys, it has applied the by default blue theme onto this our Facebook account. We can change the theme by clicking this brush type button, and we can change the background, and we can also change the color of text. So let's change it. I think black and white combination is the best, and we can see also the live preview of how it will look, and click on apply. So guys, as you can see, again the background of Facebook has been changed successfully, and it's also a 100% sure and 100% safe application. It is not having any spam, so believe me guys. And if you like this video, you can share and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon so that I can bring you more videos like this. Thank you guys.